Alright, let me try to make a pork cutlet sandwich, which is so popular in Japan. So we're gonna use a sandwich bread. Alright, first one, going to trim off the edges. Okay, 4 sides. Maybe you can use these bread for French toast or something. Here's the cutlet. Okay, I made it earlier. In between, you want to sandwich it. First, here's the same sauce as we eating called the Tonkatsu sauce. Go ahead, pour the sauce over it. Then, okay, go ahead, flip it over to the bread. If it's too big, okay, go ahead, trim it. That's fine. Alright, then opposite side, you do it the same thing. Okay, sauce it. Then go to closure. Alright, then from here, you can cut in at the diagonal or the squares. Okay, it's up to you, but let me cut these in just a half. These are pretty typical sandwich. It's called pork cutlet sandwich. Let me show you one more. Okay, next one. I'm leaving the baked part on there, but instead, let me try to sandwich it like these cabbage. You could do it the exactly same idea. First of all, you're just going to pour the sauce. Enough. Alright, and just go ahead and place it down. Alright, if it's too big, just go ahead and cut it. Fill them up. Alright, and on top right there, go ahead and pour these thin sliced julienne cut cabbage on top. Right then, pour the sauce, then go ahead and closure. Alright, I'm going to cut these maybe in a diagonal instead. Pretty typical pork cutlet sandwiches. One with the edges, one without it.